In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video inside text in CapCut. This effect makes your footage play inside your letters, perfect for eye-catching titles and intros. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, keeping things simple and clear. First, open CapCut. You can use the web version in your browser or the app on your device. The steps are the same. Once you're in, create a new project. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is ideal for widescreen platforms and gives you a comfortable canvas to design the effect. If your final destination uses a different size, you can still follow along and adjust later. Bring your main video into the timeline. This is the clip that will appear inside your text, so pick footage with motion or texture that will look great when cropped into letters. Think waves, city lights, or colorful B-roll. Trim or position it roughly where you want the effect to happen so everything stays organized. Add an overlay. Here, you'll place your text as its own layer above the video. Keep the text large, bold, and centered so the video has room to live inside the letters. For best results, set your text to a single, solid color. The key is consistency. Choose a color that's uniform across the letters so CapCut can detect it cleanly in the next steps. Open Smart Tools. These tools help refine what's visible and what gets removed. Select Remove Background. This helps isolate your overlay elements and ensures the letter shapes remain the focus. If your text is already clean, don't worry. This step just improves separation so the edges look crisp. Enable Chroma key. This is the magic switch that tells CapCut which color to remove so the video beneath shows through. With Chroma key on, click the text to sample its color. You should see CapCut target that exact shade. If your font is thin, consider scaling it up or choosing a heavier style so more of the video can be seen. Now, fill it. Adjust the Chroma key strength and any edge or spill controls until the background of the text disappears and your video clearly fills the letters. Aim for clean edges with no haloing. If parts of the letters look patchy, nudge the strength slightly or fine-tune shadows to smooth the result. Preview the timeline. Reposition the text if needed so the most interesting part of the clip sits inside the words. And that's it. Your video now plays inside your text, ready to impress.